Hello friends, hope you are all doing good. Today we are going to cover a very interesting topic. काफ़ी राइडर्स जो आते हैं हमारे स्टोर पे इस बारे में पूछते हैं. It's about what is best for you, a knee guard or a riding pant. What should you invest on? Hello, hi, namaskar. Welcome to another video of Musafir, where we try to build awareness about riding gears and ride safety. जब हम राइड स्टार्ट करते हैं तब हम काफ़ी फोकस अपने अपर बॉडी को देते हैं. सो वी गो इन फॉर अ वेरी गुड हेलमेट, अ वेरी गुड राइडिंग जैकेट एंड अ वेरी गुड राइडिंग ग्लव्स. पर हम ये भूल जाते हैं कि हमारा लोअर बॉडी भी एक्सीडेंट प्रोन है एंड वी इन्वेस्ट अ स्लाइटली लेसर अमाउंट ऑन द लोअर पार्ट ऑफ योर बॉडी. अ नी गार्ड, अ राइडिंग पैंट और अ राइडिंग शूज़ does that job. It protects your lower part of your body, and believe me, it gives a immense level of confidence when you are on your motorcycle and when you are out in the wilderness. जब हम knee guard choose करते हैं, few of the knee guards are absolutely useless and we recommend you should not use it. We don't keep it in our store, and as much as possible you should avoid it, and few are really good. Let's talk about the features of a knee guard. So I have a couple of knee guards. This is the Mototech knee guard. So what are the features? So knee guard basically tries to protect your knee, as the name suggests. A few of the knee guards, like this one, protects your shin as well. The other part of the knee guard is that if you see, you have a buckle here, which is used to tighten your knee guard over your pant. So easy to operate, easy to release, easy to remove when you stop riding. The third thing is that movement with the knee guard is easy, especially with this knee guard. This knee guard is a bionic knee guard. This is the knee guard which basically moves as you walk. So with this, movement becomes very easy. The other knee guard which we have is the standard pro biker knee guard. You know, this at times it's very difficult for us to walk with this knee guard, and when you are riding it slips from the actual impact point. Hence you would need to really pull it up and adjust it frequent. For somebody who is a beginner, I think this solves the purpose, but we would say that this is only for the ones who are starting to ride. I think one has to upgrade and one has to move to the next level as you keep riding long distance. The other aspect of knee guard which we should all be aware of, और ये जो एस्पेक्ट है ये उतना अच्छा नहीं है फ्रॉम अ नी गार्ड परस्पेक्टिव. नी गार्ड्स नॉर्मली हम पैंट के ऊपर पहनते हैं, तो हमारा जो फर्स्ट इम्पैक्ट पॉइंट है, जो हमारा नी है, दैट्स द ओनली थिंग विच गेट्स प्रोटेक्टेड. मोस्ट ऑफ द अदर पार्ट्स ऑफ योर लेग is not safeguarded with a knee guard, and because of that injury can happen. In case of a slide, injury can happen to the other part of your leg. Hence knee guards specifically really protects your knees and not the other part of your legs. So now that we know the advantages, disadvantages of a knee guard, let's talk about riding pant. I think that's also pretty critical for all of you to know before you decide what you really want to invest on. Riding pants typically are far superior from a protection perspective as compared to a knee guard, and there are basically three key aspects to that, and let's cover that. The first one is the knee guard itself. The knee guard is built inside riding pant, and you have an option of adjusting it based on your comfort. So this is the knee guard which you will see in most of the riding pants. This is a Knox level 1 knee guard. In few of the riding pants you will see Knox level 2, and this is the pocket in which the knee guard is fitted, and if you see, there are velcro here through which you can adjust based on your comfort. The second aspect of a riding pant is that most of the riding pant comes with your hip protection. Now in case of a slide, your first impact point, if not a knee, it is going to be your hip, and most of the riding pant comes with a foam, a hard foam, and few of the riding pant also comes with armors, the actual armors from different companies. Now what this does is that in case of a slide, your hip is not really impacted directly, but this takes most of the hit. So that's number 2. Number 3, and I think according to us the most important one, is the cloth of a riding pant. Now the cloth of a riding pant, so for example this is the riding pant, the cloth is made of 600 PU material, which means that the abrasion capacity of this pant is quite high compared to a jeans which you might wear on a ride, or a cargo which you might wear on a ride. So protection wise, I think these are the 3 key aspects which really defines a riding pant. The fourth point, which is very important, and that's visibility. Most of the riding pant comes with radium strips like this, and in case of night rides you will see this illuminating. So from a visibility standpoint also, a riding pant is far superior. So when I started riding, I used to also wear a knee guard, which did solve my purpose at that point in time. But when I started doing a lot of long distance riding, when I started doing a lot of off-roading, that's when I realized the protection which a knee guard gives was not enough, and that's when I thought of transitioning from a knee guard to a riding pant. And as most of us, there were a few questions which I had, and these were around the protection which I just answered. The other aspect was on comfort, whether a riding pant would be comfortable while I am on a motorcycle, while I am taking a break, etc. And these were genuine questions which I had in my mind. So from a comfort perspective, there are 5 to 6 things which you would need to understand here. One, a riding pant is very adaptable. Whether you are on a motorcycle, whether you are taking a break, it really adapts the environment pretty well. It's absolutely comfortable when you are on a motorcycle. You can roam around with a riding pant quite easily. It does not really bother you much. That's number 1. Number 2, it is very well ventilated. So if you look at this riding pant, this is mesh. It is very well ventilated, so you really don't feel very warm inside. Number 3, most of the riding pants today comes with a rain liner and a winter liner, which really makes it all season riding gear. Number 4, a few of the riding gears or few of the riding pants, to be honest, comes with a small strap at the seat area, and it basically tries to avoid sliding on the seat. So that's the 4th aspect. The 5th aspect, which I think from a pant perspective, that it gives you all round protection, and when a riding gear gives you all round protection, it really increases your confidence on a motorcycle, on a ride. So that's about riding pant, its protection and the comfort which we wanted to really tell you. Mostly there are 3 types of riding pants. Number 1, the leather riding pant, which is mostly used in race tracks because they are, from a protection wise, they are far superior. The second is the touring riding pant. That's what most of us use for our touring purposes, for our adventure purposes, equipped with the required protections. and the third is the jeans riding pant. Now this is good from a city commute perspective. This is good from a day-to-day commute perspective, but as far as long distance is concerned, I think our recommendation is to avoid jeans riding pant. That's all about riding pant and a knee guard. What is our take? Our take is very simple. I think we definitely believe that a riding pant is definitely superior than a knee guard for many reasons, and we just saw all of them. So it's really upon you to choose the right stuff for you. However, we really believe that while you are on a motorcycle, while you are touring, while you are doing any adventure activity, wearing at least a knee guard is important than wearing nothing. That will ensure that you are safe on your motorcycle and you are riding safe. Thank you so much for watching our video. If you have liked our video, please do subscribe to our channel and share our video to your riding buddies. I hope all of you are safe during these times. I hope all of you are wearing a mask. Ride safe, always wear riding gears, and always wear a mask. Thank you. I think it's critical. Cut it. Are aware of yeah.